Hello Year 3 and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Today we are subtracting money using pounds and pence. And there is our date, it's the 17th of March, and our LO is to subtract money using the pound and pennies symbols. So just take a moment to pause the video, write down the dates and the LO in your book, underline them, and then continue when you're ready. Okay, let's have a look at the daily starter then. 4 different types of questions. Pause the video now, have a try at those questions, and then when you're ready to check the answers, unpause the video. Three, 2, 1. Let's have a look at the answers. There we are. Hope you did well with those. Well done. If you got all of them right, if you got 1 or 2 right, that's a good start. We're just getting our brains ready for the maths here. Okay, let's have a look at what we were doing. And let's have a look at what we were doing yesterday. And let's have a look at how we do it together. So, Alex has £3.50. You can see that there. We've got a £2 coin, a £1 coin, and a 50p. So that's her money. But she's going to give £2 and 10p to her sister. So how much does she have left? See if what you can think of there. So remember, when we're taking money away from each other, we're going to start by looking at the pounds and then looking at the pennies afterwards. We've got £3 and we're taking £2 away. So 3, take away 2, we're left with the 1, aren't we? So £1 here. And then 50p, take away 10p. So how much have we got left? Well, it must be 40p. So we should have, Alex has £1 and 40p remaining. Let's check to see if we all got it right. Yes, of course we did. And a lot of the activities today will involve taking sums of money away from each other. Let's have a look to see what you have to do. If you want to do the green chili questions, pause the video now, have a try at these, and then once you're ready, unpause, and then you can check your answers. If you want to try the yellow chili questions, have a try at these questions, and then unpause when you're ready. Or if you want to try the red chili questions, there are 4 here for a real challenge, and then unpause when you're ready to check those answers. And we'll be checking the answers in 3, 2, 1. This is for the green and the yellow. Of course, remember you can go back to the previous slides if you can't remember what the question was, because we've just got the answers written down here. So you can go back and forth at your own leisure. That's fine. Okay, let's check the red chili answers. Excellent. Hope you did well with those. Make any changes you need to in green pen. Okay, let's have a look at some reasoning. Now, remember with the reasoning, we don't just write the answer, we have to write why it's the answer as well. So let's read this together. It says, Holly and Matt have saved some money. Holly says, I have £3 and 70p. And Matt says, I have £8 and 55p. So, how much more money does Matt have than Holly? Explain how you know. So how do you think we might work this out? Right, we're going to use subtraction. We're going to use column subtraction. We could. Or there's something else that we can do. What do you think? If it was me, I think I might use a number line. Let's have a look. Well, using a number line, I know that another 30p will get me up to £4. And then how many pounds do I have to get from 4 to 8? That takes me up another step of £4. And then I've got 55p as well. So I add 55 to my 30p. That gives me 85p. And then I've got my £4 extra there. So who has more then? Well, Matt has more, and he has £4 and 85p more than Holly. Great, and that's how we can answer it in our reasoning. Now, if you want to try the green chili reasoning questions, pause the video now. If you want to try the yellow reasoning questions, pause the video now. Or if you want to try the red reasoning questions, pause the video now. And there's that number line that we were talking about in the example. Okay, we'll check the answers in 3, 2, 1. There we go. See there. You might want to go back and check with the questions, because maybe your answers, especially with the reasoning, might be written a little bit differently to how it is here. And then once you're ready, we'll move on to the problem solving. So it says, how many different ways can you make the total of £2.95? And it says you can use the same value coin more than once. What's the least amount of coins you can use? Well, if it was me, I know that I have a £2 coin here, and that's only one coin, so only one that I've used there. But I want to get 95p. So I'd take a 50p, that takes me up to £2.50, but I've still got 45 more p to make. So I'm going to take two 20p's, which takes me up to £2.90, and this 5p hiding behind here for £2.95. I've used 5 coins there. See if you can find any other ways of using it as well. Right, once you've done that, you can have a look at some of the ways that I came up with. So I came up with 3 different ways there. Excellent. Now, if you want to try the green chili problem solving question, pause the video now. If you want to try the yellow chili problem solving question, pause the video now. Or if you want to try the red, pause the video now. Okay, we'll check the answers in 3, 2, 1. Very good. So with the last 2, for example, there is more than just one answer. It's problem solving, so it's your chance to explore with the money and see the different ways that you can find. Okay, well done. Great effort. So in summary then, we have learned how to subtract money using the pound and the pence symbols. Make sure that those are all in your work. So I'm going to leave you with this question to finish, and once you've done, just self-assess for me with the triangle in your book. And well done. Join me again tomorrow for some more maths.